Hello everyone, welcome to DigiBytes. I am Vaibhav Gupta, your Alteryx expert, and today we are going to learn about another interesting tool of Alteryx, that is unique tool. We will play around with its configurations and see what changes it brings to our data. Then why wait? Let's start. You must now be able to see the familiar screen of Alteryx. So let's drag in the input data and select a data set in order to understand the functionality of unique tool. So I will go to file, select file, let's say sales data and click OK. I run it and I can see there are 7 columns that we have: order date, region, rep, item, units, unit cost and total. So now what we want to do is we want to select records based on region, but only a single record. So let's say I want to select unique records based out of region. Region 1, East, Central, West. So I should get 3 records in my output and they should be unique based on the region only. So let's say I will go here and select the unique tool. So this is the unique tool we have in Alteryx. I will drag here, and if we go to its configuration, we can see only we can select columns. So let's say here I will select region. So if I select region only and if I run it, I got 3 records. But on what basis? It selected only 3 records based on region because I selected region. But how it selected these 3 records? So if I go back to here my input data and see, the first record that came for East is this one with values 189.05. If I go here back, then I will see for East this is 189.05. Similarly, for Central region, the first record is 99 triple 9.5. So if I go back here in output and see the Central region, the first record is triple 9.5. And for the West, if I again go here, so for West, the first record that came was 167.44 in total. So you see the same. So what does unique tool does is based on your selection of the column on the basis of which you want to select the unique data, it will select the unique on the basis of those columns, and which are the first record that comes up will be selected and all other records are neglected. Now let's say I want to select based on region and representative and again run it. So based on region and representative, whatever the first records that came up has been shown here. So this is how this unique tool works. It selects the unique records based on your column selection and give you the output. And whatever the records that are considered to be doubled are doubled, or you can say duplicate, are shown here in the D anchor of the unique tools output. So this is how unique tool works. And if you feel there are any other issues that you are facing with this tool, please do mention in the comments and we will try to answer your queries. And if you feel there are more things that you can do with unique tool, please let us know and we will try to add up those videos with the description. Keep watching our videos and please do subscribe our channel.